He understands.
Mm.
We got confused and we both talked to him at once.
What? Are you saying that?
Because I thought it was
Yeah.
he gets confused when we both talk to him at once. He can't follow both. You understand?
Yeah.
Do you have an issue today? Are you upset or something?
No. No, no issue. Think it's done?
Unless you want me to do it.
No.
What's bothering you today?
Yes, mold. It's all gone. Go look at it.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Department of Defense and the Seattle Police Department. At 4:20 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a large presence of Soviet troops was reported at the docks near the King Dome in the Alaskan Way Viaduct. The U.S. Air Force aircraft confirmed the presence of 2 regiments of Soviet armored infantry moving towards the Interstate 90 bridge. Their immediate intention appears to be the capture of Seattle and the surrounding suburbs. If you are in the greater Seattle area, you are required to evacuate immediately. All residents that remain do so at their own risk. The following areas must also evacuate immediately: Western King County and Western Washington, including Seattle and northwestern Pierce County and Western Washington.
What
Suggested
happened?
evacuation routes are State Highway 99, Interstate 5 and Interstate 405. Other routes may be used as well. Do not carry any firearms or weapons. Do not approach soldiers in a threatening manner. If you must approach, do so with your hands over your head and make no sudden movements. Do not go near unexploded bombs, landmines, artillery shells, or other ordnances. These are dangerous and could explode at any time. Do not attract the attention of low-flying aircraft. Again, at 4:20 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a large presence of Soviet troops was reported unloading at the docks near the King. They are moving towards the Interstate 90 bridge. Stay tuned to this station or other media outlets for more information as this situation develops.
Yes, yeah, that's what I would do. Is there anything in the dryer? I didn't think so. Okay.
You can't go downstairs because it's dirty right now, but we're gonna try to clean it up for you. She didn't hit you in the head on purpose.
Oh, I know that. I'm waiting. It'll lead me back to the kitchen safely.
Why was Daddy grounded?
Because I beat up Caillou.
No, Daddy was grounded because he didn't.
Oh, I know what it is.
He didn't give him kisses when he left.
No, he didn't do that on purpose. Still hurt though.
Oh, I'm sure.
It was a bit styling. You know, like the door's here, right? And I'm walking through it, and as I'm walking through the door, he goes like that. And so it's like, BAM! Like, oh, thank you so much.
I know, I heard you. And I was like, what the fuck happened now?
Yeah, the whole point of helping me is not to do things like that.
What are you eating?
Pussy.
Yeah, you want
No, I don't.
Good luck
I don't
to
want it
you.
with red sauce. I don't know, we got meat?
Yeah, we got chicken. I think Charles wanted
I suppose we could make that.
teriyaki chicken, but you don't really want. He wanted some buffalo chicken. If you don't want to eat the chicken, do you want to just make a thing of buffalo chicken for him, or? No?
Yeah, but that doesn't sound like meat.
Be quiet.
Oh, okay. You want
It never works for me.
No, sorry. Quiet.
Okay, give me a second. Do you want to just do takeout for us tonight?
Quiet.
for watching. The video and was over then.